Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a house plant with a cat. Now this is a very interesting composition, so stay till the end to see what it is because it's not a usual composition with a pot and a cat. So here I make these two lines, two slanting lines, and join them like this. Then over here I make the oval for the face of the cat. Then I make another curved line like this and join it with the pot here. Then make its ears. Now it's very important that both the ears are of same sizes over here. Now join the pot from this side to the other side like this. And now we'll start drawing the leaves of the pot. We start from this leaf here. Now from here we draw another leaf. This leaf will be the leaf that is being bitten by the kitten here. Now we draw another leaf over here and add another beside it and another one over here. This way you start adding more leaves in the pot and see the placement of the leaves. This is very important here. Some leaves are at the back and some go all the way to the bottom of the pot here. As you can see here, we make another line at the back here and then we remove this baseline here and fix this thing. We make the cat a little longer and add its legs here. Now over here add the details on the cat. I make its patches, its eyes and the inner side of the ears this way. Add its nose over here and its mouth and the teeth. This shows that the leaf is under its teeth, that is it's in his mouth. And over here we draw the center vein of the leaf, add the veins as well. Next over here draw the eyes like this. Make a circle, make another one over here, draw its eyeballs like this. Make sure that the eyes are of same sizes and so are the eyeballs that are present inside them. Add highlights like this and add its mouth. Over here we'll add some more details on the cat. Now the patches and the tail over here this way. Now once you're done with the sketch, take an eraser and lightly erase the pencil lines. Now we'll start with the painting part. Take a very watery amount of light blue color and add it in the background here. You can cover over the leaves but do not paint over the cat. The reason why we erased or we lightened up the pencil lines is because we do not want the dark graphite to show through the paint or show through the outlinings that we will do later in the picture. Next for the ground, take yellow ochre color and paint it over here. Be careful, do not paint over the pot or the cat. You can paint over the tail portion as the tail is going to be black in color. As you can see, we are working on the background first and then we will work on the objects that are kept over there. For painting the leaves, we'll be using sap green color in different tones. Over here for this leaf, I'm using more color and less water. That is giving me a dark tone over here. For this leaf, I'm using more water and less color. Similarly, you vary the amount of water that you're using with the paint and create different shades of green and add it on the leaves here. Using different shades of green for the leaves also helps in differentiating between the leaves. Now for this leaf over here, add a little bit of yellow in the mix and paint it like this. This creates the difference in between the left and the right leaf that is present. Now I'm using the same mixture of paint but less water this time and painting this leaf over here. You can clearly see the difference in between the tones. The left one is light, the prior one that we painted, and this one that we are painting right now is slightly darker, although the shade is still the same. For the pot we are using burnt sienna, that is brown color. Paint this pot over here. Make sure you do not paint over the eyes. Next, take orange color and add it on the cat over here. Paint this patch in orange. Paint these areas as well. Next, take black color and add those patches here. Paint the remaining patches in black. Paint the tail in black as well. Add the same on the eyes here. Make sure you do not paint over the highlight. Also add the veins using the same dark shade here. Use brown color to outline the pot over here. Paint the inside of the mouth using crimson color. I'm using light shade for the tongue and a slightly darker shade for the upper portion here. like this. And then when I say dark and light, I mean less and more water. For the dark shade we used less water, and for the lighter shade we used more water. Now using black color, again you make the eyes, the mouth, its teeth, outline them, and its nose as well. Add pink color inside the nose too. I'm using a very watery amount of crimson here. I use a very dark amount of yellow ochre color for outlining it. Outline the legs of the cat and its body. Let's take the same ochre color, add a little bit of orange in it, and make lines like this. It's a freehand line and slightly dotish as well. As you can see over here, it's not completely connected with everything. I'll add whiskers for the cat as well, like this. And that's it. We are done with our picture.